Hello everyone, today our topic is how to get package return by using helium 10. You can see this dashboard, here you can see the listing optimization tool, and here you see keyword processor are Frankenstein. We can get the keywords from this tool by using this by helium 10. Click on Frankenstein, then you will see here you can see like this. Okay, first we go back and using Cerebro tool, we will get all keyword from our competitor. For example, this is our competitor and we can copy it and just paste it here and click on acceleration and get competitor. We can add more competitor for this to add it in our list. So click on add competitor. So these 10 SN we added in Cerebro and get click on get keywords. This is our second step. First step you can see this Frankenstein tool. Okay, this we can get keyword from Cerebro. These keyword we will use in our product listing for backend starter. Okay, we can click on export and then click on CSV file. We can click here to open it this file, close it, then we can choose top 100 because we need 250 corrected for our package set. 100 we can select it. If many more, then we select. We click on Frankenstein and then paste it here. All keywords from this file which we downloaded from Cerebro and then paste it here. Okay, then you can click add only spaces, remove duplicates, convert to lowercase, remove special character. Okay, and we note that you can not add any brand name which is selling on Amazon, then which will be make any issues for your listing. So cut out your any brand name which is added in these words. Okay, then click on process. So these are total characters is 626. Okay, we can cut out to make is 250 character. We cut out these are 367 378 blinder depth of we can cut it. These are 291. Okay, so check it any brand name is here. Smoking marijuana grande glass is not added in our keyword. Okay, cut out which is not relevant keyword in it, so you can cut out and add any or relevant keywords. Food machine set bowl. Bowl is not a keyword. Large is ordering coffee, rolling pipes, milk, cannabis, bomb, kitchen tray. Tray is not a keyword. Vaporizer, and you can also add many more. Okay, here is few left, so you can copy it like golden street, any words, aluminum, scraper, wooden, or anyone. Okay, we can add more. Man, woman, adults, gift. that's cut out. So you can copy it here and save it at any place. Okay. So you can know how to get backend search term for our product listing by using Helium 10, Cerebro, and Frankenstein too. Okay. Any questions? So please comment below and wait for next video. Okay. Thanks.